name is Zenan. I'm 26. I'm Chinese. To be more precise, I come from Beijing. I graduated from ESCP Business School last year, and I started to work in Parfum Christian Dior since last October. Now I'm working as a data and reporting project manager in digital communication team. I think mainly because it's a wonderful school located in my dream city of the world and also almost the center of Europe, because I always want to work in the beauty or luxury industry. I would say move around, improve my language skills and cultural exchange. I think the highlights of my 3-year ESCP experience is the field trip to San Francisco during my entrepreneurship specialization in Madrid campus. Thanks to ESCP Life, I already know how to talk to foreign people and how to express your opinions and how to mingle with different people. For the incoming ESCP students, I would say congratulations, you made the great choice of your life. Because here you can have the choice to study in 6 different campuses, to feel different culture, to meet different people. And during this year, just enjoy it and learn French, learn new languages, and do internships, and you will get success. If for Asia students, and if you don't have any French languages, sincerely, I suggest you to learn French as early as possible. And for all the general students, I really encourage you to networking with different people, because you will not only make friends, but also get really useful success for your career, and also a treasure from a business school and also tradition. So just do it.